How to work make money online. Okay, this application I am share PayPal Cash, Dana, GCash and pair earning application. Okay, first time application download now. Application download link my video description. Okay, privacy policy agree and continue. Okay, first time create your account option, click down and select your continue with Facebook, continue with Google. Okay, already create my account. I am just click down friend option, share your links and I'm just click now invitation code. Use my invitation code 100 coins free. Fill in the code. Okay, my code use 100 coins free. Okay, and I am just click now games play options. Okay, tap earning applications, lucky spin complete and earning. I am collect 8 coins diamond free and 16 coins earning, and I'm just click now update option, spin complete and update completing now. Okay, tap earning application, tap and unlimited mining open, and I'm just click now games play options, a video ad watch and earning unlimited coins and diamonds. Okay, I am one video complete and 6 coin earning and my balance added, just waiting now 30 seconds. Okay, I'm just open auto clicker app, open Google Play Store and search now auto clicker app, auto clicker unlimited tap. Okay, I'm just play auto clicker app unlimited click. Okay, and one level complete and 2 level I am open. Okay, I am updated and close this tab auto clicker apps and lucky spin 12 complete, 12 lucky spin complete and withdraw available. Okay, PayPal, GCash, payer and Dana. This application real or fake I am not understand, try to use. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.